Thank you all for joining us on this incredibly special day as we celebrate the marriage of my beautiful daughter Kate and Luke, who I'm now proud to call my son-in-law. I want to tell you a little bit about Kate, who I fell in love with the minute she was born. Up until the point that I first held her in my arms, her mum wanted to call her Chelsea. I really struggle with that because I'm a Man United fan. She was never going to be a Chelsea, it was always destined to be Kate. As your mum and dad, we're so proud of you, the child you were and the woman you've become. Your caring, loving nature and the way you're always helping others never ceases to amaze us.
Can I say welcome to this marriage of Kate and of Luke. Kate and Luke, I now invite you to exchange your vows.
I, Luke, take you, Kate, to be my wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death us do part, according to God's holy law. In the presence of God I make this vow.
I, Kate, take you, Luke, to be my husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death us do part, according to God's holy law. In the presence of God I make this vow.
You might like to congratulate.
First of all, I want to start by thanking everybody for coming to celebrate Luke and Kate's special day. Despite being good mates at university, Luke and I fell out of contact for a few years. We moved to different parts of the country, and one day I got an inbox from an old friend inviting me to his birthday party, which happened to be about 20 minutes away from my new house. Since I've learned of Luke's fully functioning garden bar, including Guinness tap, guest lagers and hot tub, it's safe to say we've been inseparable. Luke has always been a person to help others and always goes above and beyond for his friends and family. I was immensely proud to stand by you whilst you got married today, and truly wish you both all of the happiness in the world.
Winston Churchill famously stated that of all his many achievements, his most brilliant was in persuading his wife to marry him. I can relate to this. Well, not the many achievements part, add false modesty comment, but the challenge in persuading a woman of Kate's calibre to marry me. In fact, I can weigh to an exact nicety the moment I started trying. It was exactly 6 years ago to this day when I set out to Thailand on a one-way ticket with my good friend Mr. Chris Blackband. I whimsically declared I had matched with a girl the day prior to travel that I was going to marry. Suffice to say, within 3 weeks I had abandoned my plans of travelling Asia and was on a plane back to the UK to meet Kate face to face for the first time. The outstanding beauty, personality, wit and charm of my wife is very obvious to anyone she meets. And I, like most of you here, I've been wondering why she agreed to marry me too. but guidance can be taken, as is befitting our surroundings, from the legal case of McNatton in 1843, which defined insanity for the very first time. Indeed, as the House of Lords espoused at the time, insanity is where someone labours under such a defect of reason, from disease of the mind, as not to know the nature and quality of the act she was doing. Now, I'm yet to find the defect of mind that would ever begin to explain the marriage of somebody as brilliantly perfect as Kate to somebody like myself. But the truth is, I haven't tried very hard. And I would respectfully ask the many esteemed medical professionals I know to be in this room to have regard to the sanctity of marriage and stop trying too. Kate, long may we love and laugh. A final toast to my beautiful wife, Kate.